Hello, friend. Welcome to our Slow English podcast. Today we talk about daily routine in a big city. Daily routine, life in a big city. Take a deep breath, relax, listen slowly.
Hello, Luna. I am ready. Daily routine in a big city sounds fun.
Good. Today we use very simple words, short sentences, clear ideas. We repeat many words. We practice together. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's start with the morning. Morning in a big city can be busy, very busy. So repeat after me. Morning.
Morning.
Good. In the morning, people wake up. Repeat, I wake up.
I wake up.
Nice. In a big city, many people wake up early. They wake up early because the city is busy. The trains are busy, the buses are busy, the streets are busy. Everything is busy.
Yes, big cities are busy.
After we wake up, we get out of bed. Repeat, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed.
Good. Then people eat breakfast. A simple breakfast. Maybe bread, maybe eggs, maybe fruit. Repeat, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
Great. After breakfast, many people go to work or go to school. Repeat, I go to work or I go to school.
I go to work or I go to school.
Perfect. In a big city, people often take the bus or the train. Many people do not drive a car. Repeat, I take the bus.
I take the bus. I take the train.
Good job. Now let's move to the daytime. Daytime in a big city is full of noise. Cars, people, voices. Repeat, the city is noisy.
The city is noisy.
Yes, the city is noisy. At work or at school, people study or do their job. Simple. Repeat, I work, I study.
I work. I study.
Wonderful. Around noon, people eat lunch. Lunch is an important part of the daily routine. Repeat, I eat lunch.
I eat lunch.
Great. In a big city, some people eat lunch at a small shop, some eat in a cafe, some bring food from home. Repeat, lunchtime.
Lunchtime.
Nice. After lunch, people go back to work or school. They work more, they study more. Repeat, I work in the afternoon.
I work in the afternoon. I study in the afternoon.
Very good. Now, let's talk about the evening. Evening in a big city is still busy, but people are tired. Tired from work, tired from school. Repeat, evening.
Evening.
Good. People go home. They take the bus again. They take the train again. Repeat, I go home.
I go home.
When people arrive home, they eat dinner. Dinner is a big meal. Repeat, I eat dinner.
I eat dinner.
After dinner, people relax. They watch TV, they listen to music, they talk with family. Repeat, I relax.
I relax.
Nice. Some people also exercise in the evening. They run, they walk, they go to the gym. Repeat, I exercise.
I exercise.
Good. At night, people get ready for bed. They brush their teeth, they wash their face, they change clothes. Repeat, I get ready for bed.
I get ready for bed.
Great. Finally, people go to sleep. Repeat, I go to sleep.
I go to sleep.
So that is a simple daily routine in a big city. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work or school, eat lunch, work more, go home, eat dinner, relax, sleep.
It is simple, but very clear. I like it.
Good. Let's do a small practice. I will say a sentence, you repeat. Ready?
Yes, ready.
I wake up in the morning.
I wake up in the morning.
I take the bus to work.
I take the bus to work.
I eat lunch in the city.
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 I go home in the evening.
I go home in the evening.
I relax at night.
I relax at night.
Excellent. Now let's do a short line, but still simple. Try to repeat, my daily routine in the city is busy, but good.
My daily routine in the city is busy, but good.
Very good. Slow and clear. Now I will ask you simple questions. You answer. Ready?
Yes, ready.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up. I eat breakfast.
Good. What do you do in the afternoon?
I work. I study.
Yes. What do you do in the evening?
I go home. I eat dinner.
Perfect. And what do you do at night?
I relax, then I go to sleep.
Good job! Now, let's do a short review. Listeners, you can repeat if you want. Daily routine. Wake up, eat breakfast, go to work, eat lunch, work more, go home, eat dinner, relax, sleep. Very simple, very clear. These words are important. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, work, school, bus, train, breakfast, lunch, dinner, sleep.
His was helpful for me.
I am happy to hear that. Your English is growing. Slow steps, simple words. That is the best way. Thank you for listening today.
Thank you, Luna.
See you next time.